Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I thought I'd show you a few things what we've got from Aliexpress. It's been a while since I've done an Aliexpress haul, so I thought it was about time we had a little look on there and bought some bargains. Like I normally do, I'm just going to pull things out the box that I've got next to me and we'll have a little look at everything. I am also going to put the price that I paid in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and if there is anything that you see me show today that you're interested in, I will leave the links for everything in my description box below. So all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight on over to the product. So that just makes it really, really easy for you to find. So should we just get straight on into it? Now, the first thing that I got was... No, I'm dying to try these. So, these are matte full cover soft gel tips, premium quality, pre-buffed, and the brand is Nailpop. I've seen a few Nailpop products just lately and they look like really, really nice products. Check these tips out, guys. They are beautiful. Look at these. Look at those. So it looks like you get 12 different sizes and then you get these 3 extra of, I can't see very well, but it looks like sizes 8, 10 and 11. I'm not sure why they'd give you extra of those ones though, because I would say these are like more popular, because like my ring finger and pointer finger, they're exactly the same size when it comes to full cover tips. So I would say these would be more popular to have. But hey ho, you get plenty, that's the main thing. But the quality on these guys look amazing. Look at that. They fit so nice in them cuticle areas. I really like the colour. And these are just so quick and easy to put on. So, as you can see, I've got no nails on my left hand. I'm just waiting for 2 more products to come from Aliexpress. And I will be doing a video on these very, very soon. The minute those 2 products arrive, guys, I will be doing a video with these. Doing my nails on my left hand. So, we've got full cover soft gel tips. The next thing we've got is some stickers. Are these. I've had these in my basket for ages, but just not got around to buying them. In fact, I haven't bought anything off AliExpress for quite a while, so I was really excited to place this order. So, they've given me freebie stickers. They're cute. Look at them. Them hollow ones are gorgeous. Well cute, I like them. And these are Hello Kitty stickers, so they're all the same, but you just get different colours. So you get 6 different colours. We've got black, blue, silver hollow, red, white and pink. I love them red ones. They're red metallic, well smart. How cute are they? So they're not only Hello Kitty, but they've also got the Louis Vuitton logos as well. And some love hearts. I love them. We've got little bows. I love the little bows. They're cute. Oh, look at this. Hello Kitty's sticking its middle finger up. Look. I'm going to just notice that. That's so cool. I might, when I use these tips, I might make them into a Hello Kitty set. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? Next up, we have got some chrome powders. Oh, these look stunning. I'm going to have to get some black swatch sticks out if I've got any left. I think I have. I'll have to have a look. We'll give these a swatch, guys, so we can take a proper look at them. Because in the pots, they look pretty similar. But they're actually not once they are on swatch sticks. So I'll leave them till the end and we'll swatch them at the end. Oh, I completely forgot I got these. I'm so excited for these. I've been seeing people using these all over Instagram. Wait until you see these, guys. So these are the, you know, the silicone tabs, what you use with jewel forms. But they have got, like, imprints on them. So this one is, it's a bit like crushed diamonds. Can you see that? So we've got that one. You get all different sizes in these as well. I think, if I remember rightly, there's 60 pieces in total. This one is snake print. That's cool. I've seen some well cool designs done with these. This is probably one of my favourites. So we've got zebra print. Look at that. So cool. We've got leopard print. That's smart as well, isn't it? And then last but not least, we've got, I don't know whether you'd call that snake print or crocodile print. I think maybe you could use it for either really, couldn't you? Either or. But these two are different. Look, completely different. They're so cool. So I am going to be doing a video on these very, very soon. So keep your eyes out for that video. Gotta have a play with them very soon. I've wanted these for so long, but they was really expensive when they first come out. It was like £8 or £9 when they first come out. So when I saw these for that price, I was buzzing. Had to get them, obviously. And then lastly, we've got a Makartt nail extension gel kit. So this is P97. Now, I was a little bit disappointed with this, if I'm being honest, because I thought it was a polygel kit, but it's not. So inside the box, it looks like this. So we've got your instruction manual. I like that you got your list of ingredients there if anyone wants to have a look through those quickly. How to apply, how to remove, Makartt's contact details, some more products, what they sell, Q&As and warm tips. Nice detailed instruction manual. We've got removal pads, a little file and orange wood sticks. We've got paper forms. I've not tried these ones before, so I'm curious to see what they're like. We've got 8mm base coat. We've got an 8mm shiny top coat. Premium nail file. And these, which I thought was polygel, are actually builder gel in tubes. So I am, look, can you see? It's actually builder gel. And they're all like pastel shades. They're all really, really pretty. So I'm just going to get a little bit of paper and we're going to give them a little swatch. Just bear with me 1 second, guys. Right, so I've got my little bit of paper ready. So these builder gels, you get 15mm. You got your colour number on the front. You got your ingredients on the back, which I don't think you're going to be able to see, but if you do want to know the ingredients, you will find all that on their listing. So this one is 971. Oh, I like it a lot. We've got 972. I don't know why that come out clear. $973. It's a nice colour, isn't it? I like that. 974. $975. And last but not least, 976. I'm going to give them a quick cure. Right, that's them all fully cured. I really like these colours, you know. And I actually think this could even be my favourite. And I'm not a massive fan of green. But it's just a really, really pretty green. It's nearly yellow. Oh, it's really, really pretty. They're all really pretty, actually, to be fair. So I'm definitely going to be doing something with these. And I might incorporate these as well. Try and find a way of incorporating the two. Yeah, I like them. Really, really pretty, aren't they? So that's the Makartt Builder Gel in a Tube kit. So let's get these swatched now, shall we? Can you see? They look very similar. Even more so on camera than what they do to the eye. So I've just pulled out 2 black swatch sticks. These are my last 2 black swatch sticks as well, so I'm going to have to get some more ordered. That was so lucky. So I'm going to use my Born Pretty Chrome Mirror Top Coat. This stuff is great when you're using it for chrome powders. So I need to give the swatch stick a nice even coat of that. Make sure there's no dust in it either, because chrome powder shows up dust really badly. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. So you unscrew the top on these and then you flip this up like that. Oh, look at that. Look at it there, look. That looks like it's going to be so pretty. You do also get the eyeshadow applicators with them as well. Right, so that's fully cured. Now, I'm just going to... Oh, shoot. Didn't realise I weren't covering the hole fully. Oopsie. Oh well. Just burnish it into that cured top coat. That is so pretty. That is well pretty. Love it. So it's like a baby pink. I don't think you're even going to see that on camera, how beautiful that is. But it is like a baby pink, which shifts to like a beautiful silver colour. That is so pretty. Oh, I wish you could see this on camera like I can. If I manage to get a decent picture of this, guys, I'll stick a picture on the screen. And if I don't put a picture on the screen, you know I didn't manage to get a decent picture. So that's that one. Again, a really, really pretty colour. It's very similar. It's like they're fucking identical. Yeah, they are very similar colour, guys. I wouldn't have bothered getting that colour. I'd have probably gone for another colour if I knew they was going to be that similar. They are really, really pretty though. I'd say this one is slightly more of a lilac and this one is slightly more pink. But yeah, they're very, very similar. But yeah, pretty. I really, really like them. So, there we are, guys. That is everything for today's AliExpress haul. Some proper cute bargains there. Like I said at the beginning, I will leave the product links in my description box below. So if there is anything you've seen me show today that you're interested in, you can go over and have a little look. Again, also, like I said earlier, I am waiting on 2 more items, guys. The minute these 2 items arrive, I'll make sure I do a video on them straight away. I want to get these nails on my left hand. And another thing I do want to tell you about these products, guys, they are going to be henna free as well. I've managed to find some nice affordable henna free products for you, because I know I have got a few viewers that do suffer from allergies, especially henna allergies. And I have got a few viewers that do prefer to use henna free products as well. So I thought I'd have a little look about, see if I could find any, and I did. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that, and I promise the minute they arrive, I'll get that video straight out, because I really need to get some nails on my left hand. I'm hating not having nails on. I feel so bare. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.